Welcome to Growth Onward. Now that your business is set up, let's find your way around the dashboard you'll open every morning. We'll use Gearhead Auto Repair for this one, a full-service garage with a busy diary. This is your dashboard. The first thing you see every morning. Straight away you can see what's booked in today and what you've taken. If you only ever look at one screen, make it this one. The sidebar is grouped by what you're actually doing, rather than by feature names. Run the Day section is the part you'll touch most. It shows your bookings and information on every customer who's ever been through the door. The Grow section is everything that brings customers back. Reviews builds trust with people who've never met you. Offers gives them a reason to return. And Campaigns is how you reach the ones who've gone quiet. Now, we're in a garage here, but this dashboard is the same shape whatever you run. A grooming salon, a detailing business, a mobile valet, the groups don't change, only what sits inside them does. So if you're watching this and you're not a mechanic, you're still in the right place. Under your website section is everything your customers actually see. You can edit your pages, write blog posts, and update your legal pages. All of it yourself without a developer. And the settings section is what you set up once and then mostly forget. It's where your services live, how often customers are reminded they're due, and when you're open. 4 groups, 1 screen. Once you know where things live, the rest of it gets out of your way. Spend 5 minutes here on your first day and you'll never need this video again.